kind of person na you who is Ajagurajah some years ago or shas you know. Any no na you say because when this man started this Ajagurajah movement, you know, let's put jokes aside. People feared him. People respected him. There were a lot of young guys they wanted to go and taste the power of what this man was doing. It will bring people more to come and disrespect you because at the end of the day the enemy said and the more those people are surviving whatever you are doing, not explosive. Ajagurajah, I want to use this platform to tell you something. I'm not saying say Ajagurajah only media and you good or not powerful, but let's man catch us who for the past few years and whatever couple of months now, no, my monitor will say the person that we know being called Ajagurajah, being confused through no musto ne brebino, se no, sa brand ni edino, enye humbio, esi obi aso no the camera sin eni so a na wasole akwetia Ajagurajah. Na me pese me catch you say, me hwe mu a Ajagurajah nso e na aye ama na eden. Amana banisa na me catch you say subscribe Xposed GH and for more videos and then embro. So na me catch you say identity and no bia sorry no ne Ajagurajah and your problem. It looks like the kind of person na you who is Ajagurajah some years ago or shas you know. And you know na you say because when this man started this Ajagurajah movement, you know, let's put jokes aside, people feared him. People respected him. There were a lot of young guys they wanted to go and taste the power of what this man was doing. You know, to say years ago, Obakra did an NCC phone, mostly room, so sorry be on number bonto did NCC phone or NCC phone Kotina Chimota KFC. Or Kotina on young boys be a day, a triangle now there's a say here. Obeya popular na ukopina baby didia eye boni ana e mani be fa na kwanchire ni nyoma kesi sankolewe ya Ghana floor esaka say waya ade because as na be fan say obi a celebrity na oye bibi oni kuko private there no be to camera head esini so now study they become a certain trend all Ajagurajah ho anytime bia asembe to obi be on the lives of these TikTok celebrities, a bimunya car accident, a hot pet na Ajagurajah ba, I borrow by no being kun. Then your side you with some and coffee baby say, now then I won't quite on the show be come. On the castle be to be no pana then. I shall musuye. I didn't tell you penny no about wanting. It's in a make a some mobile being kun any idea. And he thought that this thing was a content. What's the idea? Or to me, join the page, so even though so sorry, or to me, car on the chassis, abua, kwasia, the attempt. See, those things now, you know, now it was breeding familiarity. It's in conformity now. No more spiritual background be almost right there. And then recently, so over Jedia, last year, you free me, only a branch of friend Marky, our TikToky, a benyan sensem. Only a branch of friend young don, a benyan sensem. No see a young don buy and obecas in Naya, not Ajagurajah, every video about I mean I make kun in 5, mean I might say I make kun. I feel like Korani buyer or see Ajagurajah, I be a working a yentro.
Just so with me or meant to even 5,000 a year because me catch them was say, me money abagana, abra wouldn't sort Ghana. Samukai. Between 1 and 3 Makumako 5. When I make a true plane. I say, yes, I remember. Between 1 and 3 Makumako 5.
Okay, a yentro. And you, then he has exposed you. You can buy an akolano nyale.
Don't. Me of course. Me na me nantino kwasi azo be sem talk kura echire wa za talk ya chire.
Don't. Se captain season po me bitimi di chair na. Wo. Bitimi di achew. Jahan tan what? Ije adwe no. Kanu kure chire nipa. Young.
Mame kanu kure bi nchire me. ansa na metofo mewuo no mawie ye nyama da
kan kurechi de nipa enye sade ko ye ne be se miem
e wo Ghana say yondon esiri sika ne ediport no na Ajagurajah ebofo ake no na yondon wi yaba hey yon na boys ne ka yondon wi yaba de ne Jonas ye powerful
jai pressure na afa wo what jai
yondon bi so TikTok sisi a wa ba bonti abeche so wonsuro wa sakofa enyoma chobi ene nyoma besi wono na wo buru ndia no you see nyoma na wo ye we nyina no it will bring people more to come and disrespect you because at the end of the day the enemy say only obi kan wasema the obi to man say wo bedume no and the more those people are surviving whatever you are doing na expose you. Ajagurajah, I want to use this platform to tell you something. Nyoma na wo ye one na wo dia ba wo so. I'm not saying say Ajagurajah won le bia enye good enye powerful but metima catch you say do hum nani ma ase. Before no e bia de opesa wo ye no enye anu na wo ye. Say wo de wo pe ye nyoma be no look it say oh we are powerful na bibi. Be bia ye wo bi so wo be wo sunsun sorry a e bi onso Ajagurajah hum be bia won nye saade na wo ye no. Doesn't mean say with your ministry and now movement now kitano. It is only there to scare people. It is only there to threaten people. It is only there to kill people at all costs and need forgiving spirit and no. And then no more disrespecting no. It's because you brought it upon yourself. You come on social media, become a baby, all the content creator. Every trending issue ever be now what do one be shown. And this is what has caused this thing and confirm disrespect. Again, and confirm solely ya half hour da. Confirm solely ya half hour. Let me what I say. And confirm to me nyoma. But say me money look it say oh me you too perfect me you say no. Me can't say na cho. Won so na mo no and come ho. Ya na wo so we di hu komo. Because to me back now can be one sem everyone to me back to me fast send me a trending e be am follow but to me be example about it but we be for asem no kape wakamuja e wo se moje hwegu no it is not making you look scary anymore. Now people are not scared of your threats and people are not getting to fear your movement anymore. Baby o kan ko for sheyama not GH page, they fear to even talk about your issue. Today, they will say GH page, Gina, no more defending your issues because you put that fear in them. But how long will you continue to do this? You have a certain ministry, you have a certain movement. Look upon that movement and do it. Because if you don't stop, these things will continue going on. So I saw from more Ghana put some more there. They come and say baby besi na at least abesi. When they take Ghana na won be share come da o. Che da wo Ajagurajah wo ba ya wo ti social media what ma kase. Bibi besi your auntie dem ko be wo ba na bibi. Wo de nye si ye wie no na wa ba. Wo de camera si wani. Say me catch o. O so bo wo ban ahun mu wiase, o mu yese, ahun mu wiase, o mu yese. You don't always have a solution or a foresight to see what is coming. But when it happens there, no wa ba bontin. Then people start to begin say, hey, into open here, they be a bigger solution. Do about fear, about one movement, one man sana. You see, these are the little things that started breeding that disrespect. And this young dawn idea way, what was she? They can't be Ajagurajah would defeat any ngwasie aka Ajagurajah Bishop Esiama. What do you fear Kasawum because send an uncle for respect side and now you are exposing that angel. And no one wants to live very like I said to me be an angel. It is how you are relating to people. Because does it always go to the part say you have to be cursing anybody that comes around you? No, it doesn't really make you powerful. And that is not it. That is the fact. It's so person brand new powerful. Resist from talking about things people will be saying about you on the social media. All you need to concentrate on how to open people's eyes spiritually. We must still message be me friend dear God. See, that message now can say, na ya osrese na ya nkofo feel say, bunsam ya koye bia okobon pa na wekumu no. that thing a shemiko to be embassy there me win feed am the shame it masoma e be pfia yes but someone yen nipa odi ne be dia god sole obon pa yetia ne keke you said that thing and am the yade but now o yama hu nye hu biomo o yama na it say normal person in social media build your brand again rebuild it avoid all these public scenes and talk about why you are here and talk about your movement. Now comfort disrespect you too much and you know what they are doing, they are exposing you and so too many man we hear my papa oh man too many looking weak in the eyes of the people. Expose you that makes say no one subscribe me didn't limo any can kwame amega ubeti me afremi afokent share your comments and your thoughts on what I brought about. Thank you.